Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract success, happiness, and abundance effortlessly, while others struggle despite their best efforts? What if I told you that the key to achieving your dreams and desires lies within ancient wisdom that has been passed down through generations? Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of manifestation and the power of positive thinking. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to harness these timeless principles to create the life you've always wanted. Manifestation is not a new concept. It has roots that stretch back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Indians, understood the profound connection between our thoughts and the reality we experience. They believed that our minds possess an incredible ability to shape our destinies. This wisdom is not just mystical mumbo-jumbo. Modern science is beginning to uncover the truth behind these age-old beliefs. The first step to understanding manifestation is grasping the concept of energy. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is made up of energy. This energy vibrates at different frequencies, and like a tuning fork, it attracts similar frequencies. Simply put, positive energy attracts positive outcomes, and negative energy attracts negative outcomes. This is the foundation of the law of attraction, which states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. To harness the power of positive thinking, we must first become aware of our thoughts. Our minds are constantly chattering, often filled with worries, doubts, and fears. These negative thoughts create a low vibrational energy that can block our desires from manifesting. To counteract this, we need to cultivate a habit of positive thinking. This doesn't mean ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it involves shifting our focus from what we don't want to what we do want. One effective way to do this is through the practice of gratitude. When we focus on what we are grateful for, we raise our vibrational frequency and attract more positive experiences into our lives. Start each day by listing 3 things you are thankful for. They can be as simple as a warm cup of coffee, a kind word from a friend, or a beautiful sunrise. By consistently practicing gratitude, you train your mind to look for the good in every situation, which in turn attracts more good to you. Another powerful tool for manifestation is visualization. Our minds cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. By visualizing our goals and dreams as if they have already been achieved, we create a mental blueprint that our subconscious mind works to bring into reality. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your desired outcomes in detail. Imagine the sights, sounds, smells, and emotions associated with achieving your goals. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Affirmations are another effective technique for reprogramming our minds for success. These are positive statements that reflect our desired reality. By repeating affirmations regularly, we can replace negative thought patterns with empowering beliefs. For example, if you struggle with self-doubt, you might use affirmations like, "I am confident in my abilities," or "I am worthy of success." Write down a few affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them daily, ideally in front of a mirror. It's also important to take inspired action towards our goals. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desires. Pay attention to your intuition and take steps that feel right, even if they are small. Each action you take sends a signal to the universe that you are serious about your goals, and it responds by opening up new opportunities. Our environment plays a significant role in shaping our thoughts and emotions. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as supportive friends, uplifting books, and inspiring content. Create a space that reflects your goals and aspirations. Declutter your home and workspace to remove stagnant energy and make room for new possibilities. By creating a positive environment, you reinforce your commitment to a positive mindset. Meditation is another valuable practice for cultivating positive thinking and manifestation. It helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. Through meditation, we can connect with our inner selves and access deeper levels of consciousness. This heightened awareness allows us to identify and release limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Our beliefs are the foundation of our reality. If we hold limiting beliefs about ourselves or the world, they can sabotage our efforts to manifest our desires. Take some time to reflect on your beliefs and identify any that may be limiting you. Challenge these beliefs by questioning their validity and replacing them with more empowering ones. For example, if you believe that you are not good enough, remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. The power of positive thinking extends beyond our personal lives. It can also impact our relationships, careers, and overall well-being. When we approach life with a positive mindset, we attract like-minded individuals who support and uplift us. Our positive energy can inspire and influence those around us, creating a ripple effect of positivity. In the workplace, a positive attitude can lead to increased productivity, creativity, and job satisfaction. It's important to remember that manifestation is a process, not a magic trick. It requires patience, persistence, and faith. There may be times when it feels like nothing is happening, but trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Stay committed to your positive thinking practices and remain open to unexpected opportunities and solutions. One of the most profound aspects of manifestation is the realization that we are co-creators of our reality. We have the power to shape our lives through our thoughts, emotions, and actions. This understanding empowers us to take responsibility for our experiences and make conscious choices that align with our highest good. By embracing the power of positive thinking, we can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. It's also helpful to surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who are on a similar path. Share your experiences, challenges, and successes with others who understand and support your journey. This sense of connection and shared purpose can provide encouragement and motivation, especially during difficult times. As you continue to practice positive thinking and manifestation, you may notice subtle shifts in your life. You might find that you are more resilient in the face of challenges, more optimistic about the future, and more grateful for the present moment. These changes are a testament to the power of your thoughts and the incredible potential within you. In addition to the techniques mentioned earlier, there are many other practices that can support your manifestation efforts. For example, you might explore the use of vision boards, where you create a visual representation of your goals and dreams. This can serve as a powerful reminder of your intentions and keep you focused on your desired outcomes. Another practice is the use of mantras, which are sacred sounds or phrases repeated during meditation or throughout the day. Mantras can help calm the mind, focus your thoughts, and align your energy with your intentions. Experiment with different mantras and find one that resonates with you. It's also important to take care of your physical well-being, as our bodies and minds are interconnected. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep can all contribute to a positive mindset and overall well-being. When we feel good physically, we are better equipped to maintain a positive outlook and take inspired action towards our goals. As you continue to explore the ancient secrets of manifestation, remember that this is a lifelong practice. There is always more to learn and new ways to deepen your understanding. Stay curious, open-minded, and committed to your personal growth. The more you practice, the more you will experience the incredible power of positive thinking in your life. The ancient secrets of manifestation and the power of positive thinking offer a profound and transformative path to creating the life you desire. By becoming aware of your thoughts, practicing gratitude, visualization, and affirmations, taking inspired action, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can harness these timeless principles to manifest your dreams. Remember that you are a co-creator of your reality, and the power to shape your destiny lies within you. Stay committed to your practice, trust in the process, and watch as the universe responds to your positive energy with abundance, joy, and fulfillment.